We'll be shifting our focus now to another big breaking news which is coming in at this point of time. So breaking news coming in at this point of time, far as the Karur issue is concerned, we have a big breaking news coming in from the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has dismissed the DMK plea in the Karur Stampede case. Remember, they had accused TVK government, claimed that, witnesses could be influenced. The court basically, the top court basically said that accused are some ministers and not the Chief Minister himself. So that is the latest coming in. When it comes to the row over CM's Karur visit, it is obviously a massive setback for the DMK. And Vijay's Karur visit, that obviously stands. Bhavtosh joining us live on the broadcast. Bhavtosh, big setback for the DMK. Supreme Court dismissing the DMK plea when it comes to the Karur Stampede case. They had accused TVK government, said that Vijay's visit could influence the witnesses. Court says that it's the ministers and not the CM to begin with who's the accused.
Yes, but actually some very important observation from the Supreme Court. Supreme Court first said that how can we even regulate a speech? It's a freedom of speech. Anyone can make speeches. Then it said, do you want us to regulate the visit of the Chief Minister? Remember, Vijay was in fact actor turned politician at the time when this tragic incident happened. And the court also said that, do you want Chief Minister visit to be regulated? The counsel for the petitioner said that he in fact started taking the court through the prayer. The court then said you want injunction of free speech, and court further said you make your own speeches. How did the Supreme Court even step in this matter? The entire matter has been probed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. CBI has recorded the statement of Vijay on at least 3 occasions. Vijay on its part have always maintained that the law and order at that point of time was in the hand of then ruling establishment, that was DMK, and it was responsibility of DMK and also of then civic administration DMK to maintain law and order there. The court also said that accused, very importantly, the court said that accused are minister, not the Chief Minister. The court said that this application we advise you not to press because we are inclined to dismiss it. Senior Advocate Ranjit Kumar said that he are withdrawing the petition, and then the court dismissed that entire petition. The entire controversy started after, according to DMK, Adhav Arjun made certain remarks which they believe was trying to influence the witness. As far as the probe is concerned, CBI continues to probe this entire matter.
Well, absolutely. When it comes to the Karur Stampede row, it reaching the Supreme Court, it's a massive setback for the DMK. I believe Dipankar also joining us live on the broadcast. Dipankar, take us through what the Supreme Court said. Bhavtosh obviously was giving some of the big takeaways. Take us through, some more takeaways. The statement made by Supreme Court as it dismissed the DMK's plea when it comes to the Karur Stampede case.
Well, yes, the court had made certain very serious observations while hearing the matter, and very clearly it has pointed out that the court cannot make any kind of timeline or any kind of comments on the visits of the Chief Minister. Remember, this entire petition is regarding the apprehension that are being raised that when the Chief Minister may visit Karur, he may try to influence, or the people who will be visiting may try to influence the people who are involved in this case. So the court very categorically went on to say that we cannot make any kind of regulate the visits of the Chief Minister's visit of the Chief Minister. The court also went on to point out that that Supreme Court cannot injunct any kind of free speech in this entire matter. And the court had, while Senior Advocate Ranjit Kumar was pointing out his prayer, the court had very categorically pointed out that orders of compassionate appointment have been handed over. Remember, it was made as a plea. It was made as an argument before the Supreme Court that he may give out a compassionate appointment, to which the court said that orders have already been granted.
Right.
Orders have already been given in this regard.
Absolutely. Those are the updates coming in from the Supreme Court. Supreme Court dismissing the DMK's plea in the Karur Stampede case. Remember, DMK had accused TVK government, said Vijay's visit could influence the witness. That plea has been, dismissed by the top court. Certainly a supreme setback for the DMK. Bhavtosh and Dipankar, thank you for joining us with all these updates. Viewers.